Hello everyone, welcome to the course Modern Display Technology Flat Panel Display. So displays are among the most visible and impactful technologies in our daily lives, starting from smartphones, televisions, smartwatches, laptops, automotive dashboards, augmented reality devices like virtual reality and others. Also the next gen communication systems. Everywhere, display acts as the primary interface between human and the digital information. So understanding these technologies, how they work, becomes very essential for students and engineers and professionals who are interested in electronics, photonics, material science and modern engineering. So with that particular idea in mind, myself, Dr. Debabrata Sikdar, an associate professor in the Department of Electronics and Electrical Engineering at IIT Guwahati. I have planned this course for all of you to understand all these important aspects of the flat panel displays in the current era. So in this course, we will explore the technical aspects and the applications of the flat panel displays from the foundational LCDs to the next generation micro LEDs. Okay. So we will see how they basically interact with the world, and in this particular course we will also see different applications of these displays, mainly featuring in the automotive dashboards, consumer electronics, industrial controls, military and avionics. So in short, this course will basically begin with the history and evolution of the flat panel displays, exploring how display technology has basically progressed from conventional systems to the advanced solutions which are being used today. We'll then build a strong foundation in the color science, human vision and display measurements which govern how images are basically perceived and evaluated. So these are the core technologies we will be focusing on in this course. A major part of the course will focus on liquid crystal displays or LCDs, which are currently the most dominant display technology. We'll learn about the fundamentals of the liquid crystal physics, light propagation in anisotropic media, electro-optic effects and various LCD operating modes such as twisted pneumatic, in-plane switching and vertical alignment. We will also study the reflectance, transmittance and bistable polymer dispersed liquid crystal displays along with their applications. Next, we will move into the LCD driving schemes, the display matrices and the system components, providing insights into how modern displays are designed and controlled. So in the final part of the course, it will be dedicated to one of the fastest growing display technologies today, which is the micro LEDs. So we will discuss about their structure, fabrication, active driving methods, manufacturing challenges, RGB realization techniques and performance characteristics. The course will conclude with an overview of the next generation displays, including the current and the future prospect of the mini LED and the micro LED technologies. So here is a 12-week roadmap of the course. So in the first 3 weeks, we'll set up the foundation where we'll talk about the display history, color science, CIE models and fundamentals of the liquid crystal physics. Then in week 4 to 6, we'll deep dive into the LCDs, look into the transmissive reflective modes, segment displays and passive active matrix driving schemes. Then week 7 to 9 will be mainly focusing on the advanced LCDs and mini LEDs. So there we'll discuss about the bistable displays, stereoscopic 3D, holographic displays and also we then introduce or move on to the mini LEDs. In week 10 to 12, we'll look into the micro LEDs and the future. So there we will focus on the micro LED processing, RGB full color spectrum, power consumption and the quantum dot and OLED displays. So by the end of this course, You will have a comprehensive understanding of both scientific principles and engineering aspects of the modern display systems, preparing you to engage with cutting edge developments, industry and the research community. So, I look forward to having all of you in this exciting journey into this world of display technologies. So, with that, I welcome all of you to my course. Thank you.